Hey guys, welcome back. I have a Victoria's Secret's pink scent haul. These are, I think, all the newer lines, and I'm excited to get into this. Make sure you watch my last video, the part one. It's pretty good. But thank you guys for being here. I appreciate it. Let me see what it is. And make sure you hit your bell notification so you're aware of when I go live, because the live is watching this right now. And these videos that go through editing, and they have to go through at least 24 hours time on YouTube, so YouTube knows where to send it to when it does go live. And you can also thank my videos, like that's basically like sending me a tip. And you can also hype my videos. Hyping, I think you get 2 or 3 a week, and if you can use them all on me, that'd be amazing. Just saying. And that's free to hype. So I love how I just tear through shit. Okay, so this is the Pure Seduction Vacation, their new vacation flanker line. So as you know, they have Pure Seduction. That's one of the oldest ones there are. So they have flanker scents, like different add-ons to it. So this is Dewy Melon, Salted Amber, and Pure Seduction. Or Dewy Melon and Salted Amber. Pure Seduction takes you to paradise. I mean, it's kind of boring packaging. They could have done... I feel like it's super boring, but... So am I going to spray these on me? I already have 2 cents, and I'm not going to get like a good review on it. Ooh, wow. That smells like bubble gum. That smells like straight up bubble gum, but in all the right. Oh my gosh. That's got to be one of my favorites. I don't know if I smell salted amber though. I guess I do. Salted something. Amber? It smells more like salted melon, but it's good. Yes. That is a 1,000,000% yes, you have to go get it. Run. Run, don't walk, y'all. Run, don't walk. I don't want to go to the gym. I need to get there tomorrow. I have such bad anxiety going into a gym. I've got to do it though. Okay, so I did smell this in store. This is the baked collection that I had that other video on from last week. This is the golden apricot and honey. I was not going to get it because I don't like apricot or the smell of it, but this is not like apricot. So it's apricot jam and honey drizzle. Don't drizzle, make it rain. Golden and fresh off the stove. We shall see if it's golden and fresh off the stove. Ooh, yes. It's like a cotton candy scent. That smells really good. Yeah, it's on the lighter side. I feel like the whole bake collection is. It's lighter side to me because I'm so used to gourmands. Other people would be like, oh my God, hot damn, you smell like a bakery. That's strong. And I overspray. Maybe as Polly. I took out one. She's like, no, you're not supposed to overspray like that. I'm sorry, but I have to overspray. Do you know who I am? But he got me some samples at the counter at Macy's. I didn't know they did that. The actual sample bottles. Okay, so here's a Pure Seduction Vacation lotion. I mean, it's pretty. I think it could be prettier. I have a picture of the beach on there, you know. A lot of people don't like all that on their bottles. I do. They should ask me first. That it does smell really good. $6.99 for a bottle like this is good, y'all. Y'all. I have no idea which this one is. Okay, next one. This is the Bare Vanilla Vacation. Me and Polly smelled this one in the store when we were there this weekend. It smells really good. If you like Bare Vanilla, Bare Suede Vanilla is probably my favorite. Probably my most, that's my scent profile. The Bare Suede Vanilla. If I have to wear something formal, it's going to be either that or like Burberry Goddess, which is pretty similar kind of scent note. Not gourmand vanilla, but like expensive vanilla. Okay, so what is this one? This is Solar Vanilla and Agave Woods. Bare Vanilla takes you to paradise. Yes, that is good. I can smell that Solar Vanilla. It's a very bright, like I said, this vanilla for summertime is it because it's got that brightness to it. It's not as warm of a vanilla. Warm is like more for the colder months. This is definitely for like a summer. Yeah, it's perfect for summer. But yeah, I love this one. Victoria's Secrets is doing really good, y'all. Like really good. Um, Wait a minute. Wasn't I supposed to get? Yeah, because they only sent one packing slip. Wow, that's a bigger order than I realized. Because I still have another one coming in. And this is the golden apricot and honey that goes with this one. But these are really good. They have like the stitching, like Coach, like the quilted look. I like that. I can't, hold on. I need to like put it up my nose with a Q-tip or something so I can smell it properly. Oh yes, that is good. If apricots actually smell like that, yeah, that's good. And I can smell the honey in it too. It's really good. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed with that collection, y'all. But thank you guys for being here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys all mean something to me personally. And you guys are amazing. Not a lot of people are like can say that. You guys are amazing because you're on my tribe. And you have to be pretty amazing. It's like a handpin, you guys, kind of. But make sure you check out my new memberships. There's a lot of good, great things on there. And also check out my merch down below. And we have t-shirts, coffee mugs, tote bags, bookmarks, hats, embroidered hats. All my stuff should be coming in soon. I'm still waiting very patiently. But just know it does all come from different sellers, so they're not all going to arrive at the same time. But anyway, thank you guys again for all your support, and I will see you guys back here shortly. Love and kindness. Bye.